So what is do while loop? Just like we learned about for loop and while loop, right? So do while loop is similar to while loop, same syntax, just some little bit change. So except that while loop executes the block of code or bunch of code only after checking the condition, but whereas do while loop executes at least once without checking condition. Why? Because its syntax is like this only. Its syntax is like this. So what is the syntax to work with do while loop, guys? So you have to use do block, okay, opening and closing curly. So what are the statements you want to repeat? So you can keep here statements to be executed, okay, and some other statements, those statements to be executed. So if you observe here, any condition is there in a do block? Is there any condition here? Did I mention any condition here? इथं काय condition आहे का? No condition, guys. But after do there is a condition. After do there is a condition. You can see this. You can refer the syntax. The syntax tells the syntax. If you observe the syntax, in the syntax, the do block will execute at least once before checking the condition. Once, this means first time the do block will execute, then condition will be evaluated. Second time, if the condition is true, then only control will go back again to do block. Then again do block will execute. Again it will check the conditions until this condition won't becomes false. This condition won't becomes false, guys. So again you are right here, increment or decrement. So here is plus plus, or you can use here minus minus, plus plus or minus minus. Okay, guys. So one thing is keep your mind. Do while loop execute at least one time before checking the condition. But whereas while loop executes each time until unless that condition won't satisfy. But in the case of do while loop, do block execute once before checking condition. while loop में तसा है का नहीं, while loop में तसा नहीं है. In the case of while loop, until unless condition won't satisfy, control will not jump into the body of while loop. But whereas do while block or do while loop execute at least once. Except that do while loop is execute at least one time. Okay, fine. Let us see one example. So here is my dev. So let me use the same. Control C, Alt F, new source file, Control V, Control S. Let me show the program and go to C, and here let me go for here somewhat like 15th do while demo. So guys, so closing curly brace. I want to stop my cursor until unless I won't enter any value. So that's what get ch return. I want to stop my program normally, so that's what I use return 0. And let me show 1 to 10. That's it. Okay, 1 to 10, and then I'll go for writing some other programs. Okay, fine, mouse. So let me use integer I. Otherwise, let me use dynamic this time. So integer I, comma integer so j. Otherwise, let me go statically. Then I'll show here do block. Opening closing curly. So here is I plus plus printf I value is so here I can show you here I is %d, comma here is I semicolon, and here let me write the condition while I must be less than or equal to 10. Next line equal to 10. So guys, no, I don't want to go from 0 to 10. I want to go from 10 to 20 or 11 to 20. Every time 1 to 10, why should I go? So I'll go from 11 to 20. Okay, fine. So save your program, compile, then show. Actually, I need to use new line. So /n. So save, Control F9, successfully compile, Control F10. You can see the output. So I is 11 to 20, 11 to 20. So properties, this may not be visible. So let me change the font, 20 or 24. Okay guys, now you can see here. Now you can see. Okay, this is simple demo. This is simple demo. Now I want to show that really do block execute once before checking the condition or not, before checking the conditions. So let us see the proof. First let me have the copy of this program. Let me have the copy of this program. So Control C. So guys, for your reference sake, so example program. So let me prove. So guys, so the proof, let us see the proof. Really do while block execute at least once or not. Okay, execute at least one time or not. So guys, so this, let us see, this is the proof, practical proof. Page down, home, a practical proof. So let me show that proof. Oh, let me use the same program and let me stop this. So Control A, Control C, Alt F, new, Control V, Control S. So let me here not resource script and somewhat like 16, do while proof. Okay guys, I want to show only 11. Okay, fine, 11, fine. I don't want to increment. Okay, fine. And here either you increment or don't increment guys. And here I want to check I is less than or equal to 11, right? Just do observe here, I is 11, right? I is 11. So I is shown here. मला काय करायचं आहे, मला I हा 11 पेक्षा लहान पाहिजे. My I must be less than 11. Then only executes. So first of all I is 11, right? First of all I is 11. Then I will be displayed. Then I becomes 11 becomes 12. Is I less than 11? No. 12 is less than 11? No. False. So control will not go back. So this is a practical proof guys. Let me run. Control F9. Successfully compile. Control F10. So you can see here guys. You can see the properties and each time font increase or 36. Okay, you can see here I is 11. So without checking condition, your do block gets executed. Did I prove or not? Yes or no? Guys, are you getting? Are you getting guys? So my intention is to prove your do while block execute once before checking condition, before checking the conditions. So first of all I is 11. So I is printed, I becomes incremented, then it checks the condition, but similarly it's not true for while loop. It's not true for while loop. Let me try for that. Let me try same for by using while only. Okay, fine. So guys, I will use same block for by using while. Okay, so here is my while. So Control X and here is my while. Okay, while I must be less than 11. So I is equal to 11, right? I is equal to 11. So here I don't need semicolon. So here from where I am in do while. So this is in do while, right? So let's write one statement. So here printf. What is why printf? So in the middle. So let me use here /n for your information sake. So /n and meanwhile, and here also at the end. So I am at the end. So end of program. Okay, Now see, while loop before entering into while loop. So here I am in while loop. At least you will come to know. Okay, fine. Whether really control is reached into the while loop or not. So what is I? I is 11 again. Okay, I is less than 11. If it becomes false, control will not jump into while loop. So let us see now. Control F9. Successfully compile. Control F10. Now you can see here, guys. Do blocks gets executed. Do blocks gets executed. So I is 11. Without checking condition, do blocks executed. Do while I is 11. Incremented, I becomes 12. 12 is less than 11, false. So control will not go back. Fine. So in the middle it is shown. Now again I initialize I with 11, right? Again I with, now 11 is less than 11, true or false? True or false? Yes, absolutely false. Absolutely false. False means control will enter into the body? No, control will not enter into the body. So that's what it is not showing here. That's what it is not showing here. And finally, end of the program. Finally, end of the program. You can see the cursor. End of the program, guys. Okay, boss. So this is the practical proof. This is the practical proof. Okay, guys. Now let us see. Let us see one more program. Do you clear? Do you clear, guys? So Control C. So we shall see nested loops now. Okay. Okay. Functions also there. Functions in C. We shall see nested loops. Nested loops.